Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to open developer tools in Opera. Well, in today's video, I'm teaching you how to open a developer tool in Opera. So this is very useful if you're trying to do something legal, but you want to get it for an illegal. Oh no, I don't want to say that. If you're trying to do something, or if you have a website and you're trying to exploit something in your website, and you want to know there's like a hole in your website, if the program in the website something broken, or you can just get something for free there, and you want to put your website and just use the developer tool and use unlimited stuff. So if you want to do that and try that to your website, or try to somebody's website and then tell them, oh, there's a problem here in your website, or do something, do that, this video is for you. So once your first thing you need to do is open up your Opera. Once your Opera is open, click on the Opera icon top left. After clicking on the Opera icon top left, go down to Developer. After going to Developer, click on Developer Tools. Go. Once you're here, you have opened up your Developer Tools. So everything you need here, sponsor source network, everything is right here. Like the same developer tool as in the Microsoft or Chrome or anything. But of course, there's something a little bit different, but it's also the same when it comes to the website, or maybe program of the website. So yeah. And a quick tip for you guys before I end this video, you can also open a developer tool by just clicking on Control Shift then I, and there you go. So that's the easiest way to do it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.